Okay, speaking of cardigans, I actually got this one in two colors. I could not make up my mind. And even though we're about to go into the fall season, like, let's be honest, in the South, like, it's still gonna be super hot. So Walmart new arrivals. I'm so happy to be partnering up with Walmart today to show you some new items from Walmart. Especially me being a few weeks postpartum, I'm really looking for something that's like a little bit more casual, a little bit laid back, but also a few pieces that I can like wear out, especially as the weather starts transitioning into fall. If you haven't already checked out the new arrivals from Scoop and Free Assembly, I very much encourage you to go do that because they are amazing. As always, all the items I'm going to be sharing with you today will be linked down below, and you can also find it on the first pinned comment to make it a little bit easier for you to shop. Let's go ahead and get started with the first item. Okay, looking into the first item, I did find like a lot of outerwear pieces, especially because I just love outerwear pieces. Like shoes and outerwear pieces, like those are my jam. I can wear the same blue jeans like over and over again, but just like change up like the top, the sweater or jacket, and I just love. Okay, so the first one right here is from No Boundaries. So I actually saw this a couple of weeks ago when I actually went in store, and I absolutely loved it. And I didn't grab it then because I was so pregnant. I'm like, I don't know exactly what size I should get to take me on through all of the fall and winter. So this go around, I actually did get the small, and I absolutely love these type of like long duster sweaters just because they're so, I don't know, they're just so cozy. You can throw them on like whenever you're here at home, just watching a movie or just being cozy. But they're also appropriate for going out and like dressing up or down. So I really loved this color combo. They also have one that's more blue. It has like a navy-ish and like a lighter blue color. But I really liked this gray and a creamy color. It also has the pockets here in the front, but I just think that this is such a classic like little duster that you can just throw on. Now remember, No Boundaries is usually more of a junior brand, so I tend to find that the sizing runs a little bit small. This would look great with just like something really simple underneath, whether it just be like a white tee and blue jeans. I think it'll look so cute. But it's also really soft and cozy for fall. You can get this duster from size extra extra small all the way to 2X. Okay, speaking of cardigans, I actually got this one in two colors. I could not make up my mind. And these, again, like these cardigans are just so simple to throw on like a simple outfit, and it just completely like kind of dresses up your outfit. So it doesn't matter how boring you think that your outfit is. Again, white tee and some jeans, throw on a really cute cardigan and you're good to go. So these cardigans are from Time and True, and I really love these because they kind of remind me of like the grandpa sweater. Now, grandpa sweaters were really hot last year, but I feel like you're still gonna see them a lot going into this fall and winter season. These are great because they're less than $16. I got it here in the wine punch color, which I thought was so pretty for fall. This maroonish type of color, it just looks so pretty. And then I also got it in this warm coffee color. Again, browns. I'm just really loving browns lately. You can also get it in a gray, and there's also a black. You can get it from size extra small all the way to 3XL. I got it here in a size medium because I wanted it to be just a tad bit oversized. I didn't want it to be super fitted. Another thing I really was looking for was some sort of like loungewear where I can just like still look put together, because I still want to make an effort and like get dressed during the day, but I still want to keep it casual and comfy around the house. So I actually went ahead and got another item from the Scoop Scuba Knit line. I've told y'all how much I love their Scuba Knit line. Like the quality is amazing. I have a few sets from that line. I actually did a video last year with like a ton of Scuba Knit, and a lot of those items have been brought back to Walmart, so you can definitely check those out. I will go ahead and link that video here if you want to take a look at that. But I did go ahead and get another item. So I have like a black set, I have a dark brown set, I have a white like cocoon like cardigan sweater that I really like. So this one was new this year. This is actually like a jogger sweatpants style, which I thought was super cute. So I got it here in a size medium to keep it a little bit more comfy. I think last year before I had my baby, I was a size small, but again, obviously my body's still transitioning. So I went ahead and got the medium to keep it a little bit more comfortable and loose, but I just like really love this material. It's so, so good. And I also got this crew neck sweater that is like the matching gray. I have have this one in the black. It's a little bit cropped, but it looks so good. And I also got this one in a size medium. The pants you can get from size extra small to 4X. I will say that they kind of run a little bit big. And the top you can also get from extra small to 4X. But again, I love it because you can kind of mix and match, but the price point is going to be amazing. The top is like $20 and the pants are $24. If you're not into the jogger style, they also do have the wide leg option. So I actually got that one as well. So I can kind of interchange them with the sweatshirt. So this one is the wide leg option. I have this one in the black and brown from last year. I absolutely love them. They fit so nicely. And I love the fact that I'm 5'6" and they still go like all the way down. Something that irks me is if I'm wearing something that's like wide leg and it just like hits way too short, like it just looks really bad. So the fact that these actually go all the way down even when I'm wearing like a clunky like tennis shoe just definitely checks that box for me. Again, the material is so nice. I really love these seams that they have going down the front of the leg. It just kind of like elevates it, even though it is kind of like casual wear. I feel like it kind of marries like a casual wear like sweatpants with like a trouser. So you can definitely dress it up if you'd like. Me personally, I like to keep it a little bit more casual, either with like some sandals or some tennis shoes. Another item that I got to kind of pair with my scuba knit items were these sneakers from No Boundaries. I shared a YouTube short a few weeks ago with a bunch of shoes. Like the shoe department at Walmart is insane right now. I did want to go ahead and get some new little sneakers to, you know, just like be a little bit more casual and run around this fall with the baby. And so I grabbed these. You can get these also in a leopard option, which are super cute. And then they also have one that's more like a zebra print. But I settled on these with the green. I thought the green was really pretty. I don't have anything that has green in my closet. I really liked this little fold over right here. Kind of reminds me when I used to play soccer. We used to have some cleats and we used to have like this fold over right here, but these are super cute. A lot of the shoes run true to size, so I would definitely get your true to size. You can get these from size 6 all the way to size 11, and there are some half sizes available. This is another item that I tried on weeks ago when I was like fully pregnant. I tried it on in store and I don't know why I didn't buy it, but this go around I went ahead and purchased it because I really liked how it looked. So even whenever I was pregnant, I did get the size small and it fit perfectly. I intend to wear this a little bit more like open, like not closed off, but just more kind of like to layer on top of either with like leggings and a top. So this one is from Sofia Vergara and I absolutely fell for this one. Again, I don't know why I didn't buy it whenever I tried it on in store, but yet here we are. So it is now in my possession. I went ahead and did get the size small. I will say this one runs a little bit large. I do like a little bit of an oversized look, so I went ahead and got the small. I really liked this dark color as well. I got it here in the darkest wash, so there's 3 different like denim washes. This one right here is called Solstice. The lightest shade is called Hazel, and then there's a medium wash that is called Marquee, and these are available from extra small all the way to 4X. Another reason I really love these is because you can wear it with leggings, and if you're like me, sometimes like whenever you're going to like I can wear leggings and show my bum whenever I'm going to the gym. But if I want to wear leggings and go out and about, you know, either with my family or just like run errands, I want something to be a little bit more covered up. So that's another reason I grabbed this, is because it is very long, so it will cover the backside. I was actually due for a new denim shirt, so I'm very excited to wear this fall. Okay, let's move on to our next item. If I can get this box opened. Okay, I really fell for this one whenever I saw it online. I love this color. This like light blue color is so pretty. So this is actually like a little quarter zip sweater, and you can get it in other colors. There's some that have like a print, so it has stripes on it. I liked this solid color and it looks so pretty. It's almost like a blue heathery color. I don't know if you can see the detail, but I thought that this blue was just so pretty. The material is also very soft and stretchy, great for the fall. So this one's from Free Assembly. I got it here in the size medium. It's not super long, so it's a little bit cropped, but still, if you have like some high-waisted jeans or pants, you could definitely do a really cute front top. If you like the blue, you may also want to check out the gray color. They also have a couple of striped options. They have one that's like cream and like tan. They also have one that's a little bit more colorful with red, navy, and light blue stripe. And the other one that caught my eye was a navy stripe as well. And you can get the sweaters from extra small all the way to 4X. Okay, another item that really caught my eye when I was looking was this jacket from Time and True. This will be great for like a little lightweight jacket. And even though we're about to go into the fall season, like let's be honest, in the South, like it's still gonna be super hot. So we don't really need heavy jackets here. So something lightweight like this will be just fine. This can also double as a rain jacket because of the material. Really loved this color. Again, I've told you I've like just been drawn to light blues lately. So this one from Time and True, I got it here in a size medium, and I just really loved the style of it. If you want something that's a little bit more like seasonal or fallish, they do have a really pretty green and bronzy, like orangey color, and they also have it in black as well. This one does have the hood and these little pull ties right here. It also has the pull ties here on the waist, so you can definitely create some shape and cinch the waist that way. And then obviously the zipper also has the lining on the inside, so it's made really, really nice. This one is actually less than $30, and you can get it from extra small all the way to 2X. Okay, no, your eyes are not deceiving you. Yes, I had to change my top. I had picked up a baby, and he just spit up all over my sweater, so I had to do a little wardrobe change. So I actually just went ahead and put on my scuba knit sweatshirt to keep it casual. But anyways, let's continue with the next item, which is another lounge piece. Now this one is from No Boundaries, and you can get it in 2 different colorways. They have like a dark cherry, but I actually got it here in this gray color. So the dark cherry looks a little bit different. I liked this one because it had like New York and it says Wellness Club. I just liked what it said in the front. This one's a little bit of a thinner material than the scuba knit, but it has like a nice little cozy fleece on the inside. It is also a quarter zip top. This one's actually less than $15. You can get it from size extra small all the way to 2XL. Now I got it here in the size medium because this is No Boundaries, more of a junior brand, so they tend to run a little bit smaller, so I would recommend sizing up 1. You can also purchase the matching bottoms for these tops. So the dark cherry has the same bottoms, and you can get it here in this gray color as well. So this one has a little cargo pocket on the side, elasticized waistband with a functional drawstring, and it has a wide leg silhouette. I got the matching gray one as the top. It also says New York here. If you get the dark cherry one, it will have the matching 97 on the pants as it does on the top. But again, a little casual little set you can buy separately or wear it together if you'd like. Clearly, I'm really loving like casual sets for fall and winter. I have so many that I have purchased. I'm excited to include this one in my collection. Next up, I have this Ruana from Time and True Ruana. They call it a cover up. I call it a poncho. Like, to me, it's a poncho. I had shed one last year and it was such a hot seller, so I wanted to give this one a try, and I thought it was so cute. Really plain. It just has like that one button on here, but I feel like it's such a statement piece because it's just different outerwear than your usual jacket or a cardigan or sweater. So this one's from Time and True, and there's just a 1 size. Again, you just throw it on over your outfits, and I think it just looks so cute and chic. I got it here in the ivory color. You can get it in black, burgundy, and tan. Definitely just like a little statement piece for fall. Again, it's gonna be a while until we get into that really cooler weather, so I feel like something that's a little bit lighter like this, that's easy to put on and take off, I think is ideal. Well, there you have it. Those are my latest Walmart fall fashion finds. I hope you enjoyed this little haul. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, if you watched this video all the way through, go ahead and give me the little fall leaf emoji down below in the comments so that I know you stuck it out with me all the way to the end. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next video. And if you're a lover of Walmart fashion as I am, definitely go ahead and check out these videos for more fall fashion inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll chat soon. Bye.